MIT math people! Today we are going to learn about slopes and perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Okay, let's do some math. The lines y equal ax plus b and y equal bx plus a are graphed in the xy plane. If a and b are non-zero constant and a plus b equals 0, which must be true? So we know the slope of the line the slope-intercept form of the line looks like y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and the y-intercept is b. So we have two lines, y equals ax plus b and y equals bx plus a. So the first answer is that parallel lines have the same slope. So that would mean A would be equal to B. But we know that A plus B equals 0, and A and B are not 0. So A equals negative B. So A cannot be true. Let's look at B. Lines are perpendicular. That means they intersect at right angles if they have a negative reciprocal slope. So that means that A would equal negative 1 over B. We know that A and B are not 0, so that's possible, but A plus B still equals 0, so A would be negative B, not negative 1 over B, so B cannot be correct. Let's look at C. Lines have the same x-intercept. So lines have the x-intercept of any line is when y is equal to 0. So let's look at the first one, y equals ax plus b. That's the first line. So we'll set y equal to 0 to find the x-intercept, and that's equal to ax plus b. Subtract ax from both sides, and you get minus ax equals b. Divide both sides by minus a, and you get b over minus a. X equals b over minus a. Let's look at the next line. Subtract bx from both sides. Set that equal to 0 first. Y equals bx plus a. Subtract bx from both sides. And you get minus bx equals a. Divide both sides by negative b. And you get x equals a over minus b. So at first it kind of looks like, oh, these don't look the same, but we know that a plus b equals 0. So a equals minus b. So everywhere you see an a, you're going to put minus b. So the first one is b over minus b, which is b over b, and that's 1, because we know b is not 0. Let's look at the second line. A over minus b is the same as minus b over minus b, because a equals minus b, and that equals 1 because, again, b is not 0. So they do have the same x-intercepts, and C is the answer.